Well, I received this excellent question, which is quite tricky and has a fairly complex answer. Why do we keep using damaging ways of getting electricity when we have better solutions? Why don't people take responsibility? Well, firstly, we design and built things to work in a particular way. What you see behind me here is a large coal-fired power station. It burns coal to make electricity, and it makes a lot of electricity, which is then delivered to our houses and schools and businesses and industry when we need it. And we've come to rely on those big power stations and the system of poles and wires that gets the electricity from them to where we need them. So it's quite a big change to make. We can't just turn those all off in one go. We've got to build things to replace them. And that takes time. But also people, and that's private companies, investors and governments, put a lot of money into these old methods. And so if you spend a lot of money on something, you want to kind of use it until you're not able to anymore. And that's in some ways making it difficult to replace them. The good news though is that we do have much better solutions. Solar and wind is now a cheaper way of generating electricity and also far less damaging for the environment because virtually no emissions are released when you generate this electricity. And people are starting to take responsibility. Most people now do want to use cleaner technologies like solar and wind. What we've got to do now is make a really big effort to make the change quickly enough, to build enough of these and build them in the right places and build the poles and the wires to get the electricity from these to where and when we need them, so that we can turn off those damaging ways of making electricity. I think it's going to happen. It just needs a real concerted effort by you and everyone to make sure that it does happen quickly enough. Thank you.